at McDonald's here in Pusok, and they're actually selling tons of Himalayan salts. They actually have edible Himalayan salts. They also have Himalayan salt lamps. If you don't know the benefits, it's actually there in their wall. It says it reduces electromagnetic radiation. It helps with allergies and asthma. Deodorize your home. Increase energy. Dili pa dolta. Para kita mo. Kana siya. So, better air quality, stop coughs, purify air, better sleep. Mao gyud na ako ang ganahan, no? It better sleep and for asthma because daghan ka siya health benefits, guys. It improves your mood, breathing, reduce headaches, soothe sore eyes, enhances concentration, and environmentally friendly. So, those are for the lamps. They also have black salt. Black salt is good for bloating and acidity. It prevents muscle cramp or spasm, stimulates blood circulation, aids in weight loss, cures heartburn, controls cholesterol levels, and cures respiratory issues. So I'm actually with Sir Steve, guys. This is Sir Steve, and
aloha.
He's managing this store. We just want to know further about all the products as possible, from the kitchen Himalayan salts to the lamps, the prices, so that if they want to come here, they can have their budget on hand.
Right.
Yeah, so where do you want to start?
Well, a lot of people do stick their head in and they ask how much are the prices, you know. The smallest products we have are the USB lamps.
USB lamps.
They're normally $450.
Those are all $450.
But right now, our promo is $350.
$350, guys.
$350.
You can already have a lamp for 350 pesos. So, I'm curious about that salt thingy.
The cross?
Yeah, this one. Is that for the kitchen?
Yes, that's a salt grinder. You just turn it upside down.
How much
grind your
is
salt.
the small one?
You can take up the cover. So they're both the same price. This is just a wider version. They both carry 1/4.
Ah, 1/4 kilo?
Yeah. And when you buy that for 500, you get a free bag of salt.
Okay, so if you buy the grinder, guys, 550, you will have a free 1-pack of Himalayan salt. Wow. So you can choose 2 sizes, whether the broader size, which is this, or the longer one. So I think this is recommended for people who love cooking. Pardon for the background noise, we're near the street. Okay. And yeah, so there are a lot of shapes. There's actually even a clam with a pearl there.
Here's one that's...
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Okay, so that one, guys. So I'm really curious about the prices, because I already told them about the benefits. I just want to tell them how much.
Yeah. Okay. So generally speaking, the smallest lamps start at 700 pesos.
Which one?
And they're on the other side.
Oh, okay, let's go to the other side.
700 will start from 1 to 1.4 kilos.
So these are kilos.
Yes, that's
okay.
the weight of the lamp.
Oh.
So the smallest lamps, which are 1 to 1.4, start at 700. Then the next half kilo up from 1.5 to 1.9 becomes 800. And next half kilo up becomes 900.
So these are all lamps, right?
Yes. We call these natural.
Are they gonna last forever? Do they have a expiration?
Well, they're already hundreds of millions of years old, and
so they don't expire.
Mother Nature kept them warm.
Amazing.
But if you fail to keep them warm,
it
then
melts?
they will sweat.
Oh.
I don't like to use the word melt because it's like an ice cube. It just melts.
Oh yeah.
But
so it just sweats.
They absorb water, and when it's full of water, then the excess water cannot be absorbed. It'll slide down, and it will bring some salt down.
Amazing. Because I thought before that if you use a lamp it has like 3 years only, it will melt. So I'm wrong,
It
guys.
depends how much you use it. Yeah.
So I can use it every day and
Yes.
it will last forever. My pa siya, sana all
As long
forever.
as you use, and your bulbs and your cables last.
So the bulbs you need to change.
Yes,
Oh, yeah, because
Yeah, it's a
wow, amazing. So guys, if you buy a lamp, it will last the lifetime, so you can still give it to your
Just
kids.
keep it warm.
Just keep it warm. What if the room is air conditioned?
Keep it on dry function.
Oh.
Most people keep it on dry anyway.
So if it's not on dry, what will happen?
Depends how much moisture
Sweat.
your air conditioner brings in.
Oh,
Most
I
people-
see.
I think most air cons often set on dry.
I see. Keep your ACs on dry.
Right.
All right. So those are the smallest.
Yeah, so they'll go from like 700 to about 5,000 depending on the size. Yeah.
So what if they have a specific design? You can't make it.
Custom designs, that's probably another
Pre-order?
complicated story.
Oh, okay. But they have
we
a lot of
already have a
designs.
large range of designs.
Yes.
Like this pineapple, the fireball balls, fireball
Are those
hearts.
balls detachable?
Yes, they're just put on top. Yeah, that's a solid bowl of salt.
Ah, amazing.
Yeah.
So those are all the lamps, guys, and there's also a container there. What's that for?
Calling that the iron basket.
Iron
You
basket
can see
for.
some in the other room.
Okay.
Yeah, we put some large salt crystals in them.
Ah, okay. Is it still focusing?
One, there's two
Yeah,
here on
this.
display.
So that's
Yeah.
the purpose of the iron basket. You can put salt chunks,
Salt crystals, yeah.
salt crystals. All right. So can we take a look here? So I'm
sure.
seeing other variants here. That we have the larger pack,
The coarse salt. Yeah.
coarse salt for kitchen use.
Yes, for kitchen use. That's all for cooking or
This is Himalayan salt,
flavoring. Yeah, pink. That's the 1 kilo.
pink Himalayan salt. How much is one
kilo
pack?
bag, 350 a kilo.
1 kilo, 350.
350, yes.
This one,
350 also.
still 350, but of course it's chunks. It's still how what do you call
Some
it?
people call it rock
Pebbles, rock
We call
salt.
it coarse.
Coarse.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
They have
not
fine
too
and they have coarse.
Oh, this is
And
the
they have
fine,
smaller ones.
Fine pink salt, yes.
How much is the smaller one?
100 per fourth.
100
Or 1/4, yes.
for 1/4. This is also 1/4 then.
Yes, and it's the same
Okay.
price, 100.
Excellent
The
focus.
black
Okay.
salt,
Black salt
A
here.
little more expensive. It's 150 for
150,
1/4 and 450 for the kilo.
450. Why is it more expensive?
Because it's got more minerals.
The black salt has more minerals.
And it's deeper in the mountain, so you've got to mine it from the bottom of
Oh. So this was really taken from the
the base of the Himalayan mountains. So there's a very large base that builds up to the peaks. Yeah, and some of the base spreads into China, India, Pakistan, probably Bhutan and Afghanistan, all these other
Amazing.
countries.
So these are all authentic Himalayan salt products
Yes.
imported from Pakistan.
Yes,
Right.
From Kura salt mines, the second largest mine, and it's the most famous pink salt mine in the world. You can go for tours. A lot of people visit Kura salt mines.
Just
You
amazing.
can go into the mines. Yeah, it's up to a
What
kilometer
are
deep.
these?
These are the optional bases for the lamps. So we have
Optional bases.
bases, yeah, because the standard lamp comes with a wooden base. So we have
They can change the wooden base
two
into
onyx,
these.
onyx, which is the family of jade. Onyx. Onyx is known to absorb bad
Chinese
Bad,
beliefs.
bad elements or,
Yeah.
or bad feelings. Yeah, so it's supposed to be good luck to use onyx.
How
It
much are
absorbs
they?
Negativity. So these are 275 for the small 4-inch.
275.
Yes, additional, and there's the bigger
There's
one,
a
5-inch
bigger one.
for 350 pesos.
350.
Yeah.
All right.
But if you prefer, there's also marble.
Oh, so another
option,
kind.
which is only 200 for the small and 250. Oh, that's onyx again. Sorry, that's onyx. 250 for the large.
Amazing.
Yeah, so that's just to make your lamp look a bit fancier, and maybe absorb a bit more negativity in your house or your office. Appreciate that. Next time we just start with the salt.
Di daw siya magugay, magaling na siya.
Ah, I see. Yeah, so basically, guys, watch. Before people try the salsa, this is my version of salsa. I'm a salsa addict when I was a kid. And I tried a lot of different salsa, but so I made this one up recently, one with black salt and calamansi.
Oh, this is black salt.
Pink salt and calamansi. So
Okay.
I usually put the...
So you can mix it with vinegar, of course. Vinegar,
I'm
calamansi.
trying to reduce the use of vinegar, and I'm trying to reduce the use of toyo or soy sauce because they both have preservatives.
Yeah.
I want to
So,
encourage
just calamansi.
Filipinos to use natural ingredients.
So what did you use as
Only
liquid?
calamansi.
Calamansi. Oh, okay.
So no need to waste money. Don't waste any more money on azúcar because it's full of chemicals. And battery acid.
Until when are you giving out free taste?
Whole week.
All
every
the
day?
way till forever and amen.
Guys, free taste.
Yeah.
Alright,
So just if you've never tried pink salt before, just sprinkle and try.
Where?
Anywhere you like.
For tequila.
Yes.
Tequila. Tagay na this.
So some people say it's sweeter.
It's not too salty.
Not so sharp, maybe. Yeah?
Yes, not too short.
Smooth.
I'm curious about that.
Just smell it.
Anywhere?
Yeah, bless the place with salt.
My goodness. Sige.
Black.
Black salt.
Diba? Pareho tag reaction. That's the
Right.
same.
Familiar.
That's the
Yes.
same reaction I had a while
Brings you
ago.
back to your childhood.
I think I
and
tasted it somewhere.
Yes. It's like a ginamos kinason balut combo.
Kana.
Yeah.
But
Mo na ko reaction nga niya.
Doesn't taste like the common salt, of
no,
course.
it's a very special flavor. And if you
It
cook,
can be a flavoring in itself, right?
yeah, it's mostly consumed by vegans.
Vegan?
Vegan. The serious vegetarian.
Vegan.
Vegans, yeah.
Vegan.
Vegans, yeah.
Bigang dungan.
Can I taste?
Sure. So
I'd like to taste it with
here's some
calamansi.
toothpicks, if you like, or you can use your fingers. I don't mind.
Nay toothpick try.
Is it better?
You
No.
try
After
cucumber
both?
with both.
Both.
Yeah, and then try apple with both, so you can
Okay.
see what's your flavor.
Free breakfast.
Free I haven't eaten
It's only
pareho tamis
appetizer,
Marg.
right?
Ay, appetizer di ay naimakdo sa pilit.
For your lunch.
Alright. So
Before your
let's
lunch.
taste the... I want to taste this first.
Yeah, that's a lighter flavor. That's a good idea. Start with the cucumber then.
And then black salt with calamansi.
Oh, went black first. Okay,
Why?
that's right. Very strong. I like both. They're very different.
It's like I'm not tasting calamansi and salt at all. I think there was an added flavor.
No, that's
Mura
all
lagi
it
na
is.
kinason.
That's all it is. And also,
I'm just amazed by everything in this store.
really?
Yes, like I'm transported to another country.
Yes. We're going to have the full body spa
Nako.
experience in a few months.
Nakakuha na ko sa mga
I lost all my asthma already.
nakakuha na ko sa benefits kay nag-on ta na mga ka andari lang.
Only because you're excited.
Can I visit every day? Just like to
Sure.
cure my asthma.
Sure.
Mag-visit na lang na Miss Marge. Maribak once a day.
I actually like the black salt better. It has a lot of flavor. It's not like you're dipping into calamansi and salt only. But yeah, it's still salt, but not the ordinary salt that
Yes,
we
yes,
get from our Philippine sea. So,
You don't feel like you need the vinegar to buy.
yeah.
No
I'll
vinegar
try this
needed.
with apple.
Now the apple. It's so cute. I'll go with the black
So much
first.
for look. Okay. I think for me the apple and the pink salt goes better, but
Ah.
see how you think.
This goes better with
the
black.
cucumber with black. Okay.
Try
Put it right in. Yeah.
the pink. Free snacks, guys.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah.
Very good.
Apple goes better with pink Himalayan salt.
Calamansi.
Cucumber will go well with the black.
Black. Tapos lami mong gudi pang sago lang cucumber sa mga kanang
Thank
kilaw.
you. So, can we close this?
Sure, guys.
Guys, it's just simply amazing if you just come to this store. There's a lot to explore. All shapes and sizes of Himalayan lamps. Colors, they have a lot of colors to choose from. I think this is purple with sky blue in it. There's also bluish purple. There's green, sky blue.
They're changing.
They're changing?
Yes, they're changing.
Oh my gosh, it can change.
They're always changing.
Oh, I need this. How much is it again?
The special at the moment is 350.
350 just for one, right?
Yes.
The buy one take ones are the bigger ones.
Yes, the big ones, they're normally about 1850. They're currently for 1600.
So 1850 normal, now 16 for the bigger lamps.
Yes.
Buy one take one, no.
No, not.
I saw a post which is buy one take one. Is that
They're
still ongoing?
all natural lamps at the moment. However, we also have this. Yeah, well, that's part of. Sorry. Yeah, that's part of what I just explained. So USB angel 350. The bigger angels and crosses are 1600. Yeah. Buy one take one's only the.
Bigger ones.
Yes, only the bigger ones.
I like to buy an angel.
Natural ones, I should say. Yeah.
I like to buy an angel.
You can.
Where's the biggest angel? I'll buy one.
He's in Hawaii.
In Hawaii?
Sponsor, yeah. But he can't come here because he's stuck with COVID.
So I'll get one.
Sure.
I want to choose the prettiest angel here.
I kind of like this one with
The middle.
the red.
Okay, I'll get that then. I'll get that also.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll just get a cute one for now, guys, because you know our YouTube sweldo so small. How much is this again? Smaller
the
one?
black is 150.
150 and the smaller.
All the pinks are the same price. They're 100. And the kilo is 350. That's 150 or the kilo is 450. The SNR is selling at 650.
1 kilo is 450. 1/4?
150.
This one.
It's much better.
Oh yeah, you can save with the bigger one.
Yes,
It's
much
like
better.
it's like 3 plus 1 if you buy the 1
Yes,
kilo.
that's basically our next promo like that. Buy one, you take one, and you can choose one small salt.
I want to let my family taste this.
So what I'm trying to do is get people off the Bitsin and magic syrup and
Yeah.
all syrup.
Very unhealthy chemicals added into our food every day. So Steve is suggesting you change.
Natural salt.
Yes, and they're available here in Himalayan
Salt products.
in Lapu-lapu. So I'll just
Right
get
next to
one.
your favorite McDo.
Not really my favorite. I prefer fish. So I'll get this one as well and one of that. I'll let my family taste, of course. I'm having all the fun here.
Okay, great.
So thank you so much for today, Sir Steve. Can you please invite all our viewers? I'll be posting this in both Facebook and YouTube.
Sure,
so
sure.
invite them to visit your store.
When you have time, please come and visit us, take a look at all our lamps, and try our pink and black salt with calamansi.
Yeah, please taste.
Please meet the wonderful staff here. They're all hiding.
Yes, say hi guys, don't be shy.
Yeah.
That's
So
it.
we look forward to seeing you really soon.
Really soon, and they're
we hope
located.
everyone will feel better and healthier
Yeah,
converting to
I
pink
feel
and
like
black
I'm in the
salt.
spa.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you too. Thank you.
See you guys.
Then use a plastic bag and just that'll reduce the amount of moisture getting to the lamp.
I see.
When you go away, wrap it up
Okay.
and then put it maybe into a cardboard box, the one that.
It will go along
Yeah,
with.
usually the natural lamps we haven't made the boxes for this yet, but it's a fatter size.
Oh my gosh, guys. We did not really expect that Sir Steve's giving us a lamp. So he's giving us lamps and salt as well. So really thank you to Himalayan Salt Products, especially Sir Steve. We also have one night stay at where?
Hawaiian Marine.
Hawaiian Marine in Malabuyok, BYC. Let's go there. How many packs can you?
Fit at one time, about 30.
Thank you, Sir Steve.
There's about 10 rooms.
No, just for that night that we're going. How many can you accommodate? Vloggers, all vloggers.
As many as you like.
20,
30.
30 BYC.
Bring the whole.
Alert.
30 BYC.
We're going to
We're going to Hawaiian Marine
in Malabuyok.
Yay! Thank you.
See you guys.
A summer in November.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Early Christmas gift from Sir Steve, guys. Free stay at their resort. And also bring your clean up gear. So we're cleaning up the sea over there. So thank you so much, guys. See you there.
BYC
See the
family.
clams on the Facebook
Yeah,
page.
he planted clams 20 years ago.
Yeah, about 2005.
2005. So we're checking his clams also.
Yeah,
So
look at that.
wow, it's so beautiful.
That is a beauty.
Nice. I wasn't expecting I'll be getting this for a
Getting
gift.
stickers too.
Yay!
Yay, thank
Laptop stickers. I'll put this in my laptop. Thank you so much. I'll give this to my husband. He owns a tattoo shop in there. Good.
Oh, cool,
So
cool.
I'll put it there.
I used to live in
Thank you.
Finland for
Where?
3 years.
Where?
That's a piece of salt.
Wait.
Salt crystals.
So are you selling this too?
No, it's only for display.
For display?
Yeah, but let me just hide the plastic.
Okay. So this is how heavy?
Salt crystal. That's about
Very heavy.
it's about 20 kilos.
20 kilos, but not for sale, guys, just
No,
display.
only for display. Because people are asking if they're authentic or if they're real, and I said that's what it's coming from.
I see.
From salt crystal, large.
Are these reproducing? If so, let's say we take Himalayan salt from the mountain. Is it reproducing still?
Pretty. You mean?
It takes
no,
time?
it's not reproducing. Not as fast as we're consuming.
Oh, I
But
see.
there's millions of cubic meters. It'll take thousands of years to consume.
I
that
see.
salt.
There's a lot of supply
A lot of
then.
salt.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
Yes.
Thank you, Mother Nature.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's
Indians are
beautiful.
buying cheap in Pakistan, and
They
they're
just
working
add-
it in India, then they're selling it. But Pakistan is trying to stop that
Oh,
because the Indians are taking advantage of the Pakistanis, and then they're putting the price up. So
yes, yes.
we're getting
Profits going to
directly from
them.
Pakistan to Philippines. Same with a lot of the pink salt in like Landers or SNR. They're sent to America, repackaged there, then sent to Philippines. So we're doing directly now.
Nawa na pud ako question.
But the pink is about the same price in Landers. But the black,
This
one
one's-
lady told us last week, it's $6.50 in SNR for black salt.
650.
We're selling
So it's a lot cheap.
450.
Oh yeah, my question is, do you have any other branches in the Philippines?
Well, we had one, but we had a falling out in Cavite with our
So this
ex-business
is the
partners.
only branch in the
This shop was
Philippines.
meant to be in Makati, a very big shop in Makati, but we had a falling out, so we suddenly made a shop in Cebu, here in Lapu-lapu.
And this is the only branch in the Philippines
Of this one, yes.
of Himalayan salt
Oh,
products.
there are many in Manila. There are several
lot of
shops,
sellers.
several shops, yeah.
But for Himalayan salt products,
In
it's the only one in the Visayas.
I heard there's a little one in Talisay, but I haven't been.
I see.
I can't find the shop on one. Yeah.
Okay. Oponganan, check them out, guys. You have imported products here sold at a very affordable price. So check them out, please.
Your salt.
Thank you so much. So don't forget to hit the like. If you have any questions, you can ask us. Ask the page. Do you have a page?
Yes.
They have a
Outside,
page.
yeah. There's 4 pages outside.
It's Himalayan salt products in Lapu-lapu. I can just share it in the description box for the
promo.
right. So please subscribe to show your support and tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Bye guys.
Oh, yeah.